What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the filler to fill the cup break. We got Columbus and Montreal. First gets Montreal, second gets Columbus. So we're going to go live here. We're live at 7:04. It is 7:04 here in Dartmouth, Massachusetts. So we're going to go and take a fresh list if it lets me. We got Benjamin on top, Benjamin on the bottom. And guys, we're going three times, top two win. 1, 2. Ethan on top after 2. $7.05. 7:05. Third and final time. Good luck, everybody. Ethan gets Montreal, and Benjamin gets Columbus. Guys, there you have it. Kinger, you're on a roll. You're on a roll. That is in at 7:05. There's 7:05. Guys, again, 3 times. And Ethan, Montreal, Benjamin, Columbus.